Welcome to the project demonstration of smart speed regulation of BLDC motor controlling. So here we are going to control the 10 amp 15,000 RPM BLDC motor with help of two microcontrollers. So one is Atmega controller, which is used to provide the pulse signal to this three-phase input, and next PIC microcontroller, this PIC 16F 8770 controller to measure the speed, and that speed is measuring in terms of RPS, revolutions per second, and that will be displayed on the LCD screen. To measure the speed, we are going to making use of Hall effect sensor, which will detect the north pole of the magnetic field. So when we have placed one magnet, there is a neodymium magnet over here, so when it comes near to this Hall effect sensor, then it will provide the pulse signal to the microcontroller at timer pin. Then we are going to count the how many number of pulses per second, and that will be displayed as a revolutions per second. And here when we are providing analog input voltage with respect to this potentiometer to the A0 pin, then the system starts sending the pulse signal to this HB circuit, so which will convert the 12 volts DC to the 12 volts AC signal, which is of 120 degrees of phase shift angle shifting for the rotation of this BLDC motor. And based on the input from this potentiometer, we are going to regulate the voltage of this input. From this 12 volts is the maximum input voltage which is getting from the transformer. So here we are providing 230 volts AC input. Transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, which is current is going to be the 2 amps rating. And this circuit is a rectifier circuit as a bridge rectifier. So here we are using DB107, which is 10 amps bridge rectifier circuit. So after that we will get the pulsating DC, and this capacitor will act as a smoothing purpose. Then we'll get the pure DC of 12 volts. The 12 volts DC is main input to this bridge rectifier, H bridge inverter. This is a 3-phase H bridge inverter circuit, and the driver is nothing but directly Atmega 3-to-8 controller will provide the pulses to this, and there we'll get the motor rotation and lively speed on the LCD screen. Let us see the demonstration. So wait till it give the continuous beeps. Right, the motor got initialized, and then